Mercedes finally did something simple. This W222 2014 Mercedes S550. The right-hand passenger side turn signal was no longer working. The mirror turn signal, the light itself, was no longer blinking, right? So I ordered another replacement, boom, off the internet. Doesn't cost that much. But I, in my imagination, figured it was going to be very difficult to remove the cover that has the light included in order to replace it. Oftentimes, Mercedes makes this very difficult where you have to tilt the mirror itself, get in there, remove a couple screws, pop some things loose, disconnect the connector, But in this case, it was very easy. This cover right here, as you see, it's already off, simply pops off. It pops off by using some plastic panel removers, wedges, things that are thin enough in plastic to get in between the cover and the assembly in order to pop these loose. There is a connector right here, very small. It is some more right here that has to be popped loose. So look at it. 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5. Let me zoom out. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have to be popped out. Just look at the back of the actual mirror cover. So you have a couple of these right here at the top. These tabs, they slide in. And then you have the actual tabs right here that clip in. All right. So this provides the structure of this assembly. Again, you take these tools right here and you pry it in between here. You hear it pop loose. Don't force it, but be determined and careful at the same time. All right, pop it loose, kind of grab a hold of it with two hands and kind of work it loose and work it off, and it pops right off. To actually remove the light itself is pretty easy. You have these tiny little bitty Torx screws. It requires a very small Torx bit right here. It's like an Allen wrench or bit or Allen key, whatever, but it has a Torx. All right, boom. There's just 2 screws here and here. And once you take those screws out, pry this little tab back. This piece right here goes into the little cutout and remove it and replace it. It's very easy, very easy. So I'm very happy that Mercedes finally did something simple. They have the option, if you want to, you can get like the black tinted ones. But this is my wife's car. She wanted to keep it original and clear and crispy, matches the headlights. Now, if she blacked the car out, then it would make sense to go with the tinted. But we didn't do that. The car has tinted windows, but the lights themselves are crystal clear. So I want to keep it that way. So if your turn signal is no longer blinking, this is an easy way of replacing your turn signal in the mirror. Pop the cover off, unscrew the existing light, and put the new one in place. It's real simple, real simple. All right, there it goes. So when you reassemble it, I started on this end where the plug is. Make sure that the new light went into the plug easily, and then just simply start popping the side in, pop it in, pop it in, pop it in, and boom, good to go. Let's see if this thing works. Boom. Ha ha. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. What a beautiful car this is.